Good morning, students. Today's lecture focuses on thermization of milk, which is an important pre-treatment step in dairy processing. Thermization is used to improve milk quality before further processing operations such as pasteurization or storage. Let us begin with the introduction to thermization. Thermization is considered a pre-treatment process. It enhances milk stability, manages microbial load, and prepares milk for further processing steps. This process is especially useful when milk needs to be stored before pasteurization. Thermization can be defined as a mild heat treatment applied to raw milk. It uses specific temperature-time combinations. The purpose is to reduce spoilage microorganisms while minimizing changes to the natural properties of milk. It is important to note that thermization is not a sterilization process. The purpose of thermization can be understood through three key points. First, it targets psychrophilic bacteria which grow at low temperatures and cause spoilage during storage. Second, it inhibits enzymes such as lipase and protease which can cause rancidity and protein breakdown. Third, it extends the shelf life of raw milk during storage before processing. Thus, thermization improves storage stability. Let us look at the temperature-time conditions. Thermization is carried out in the temperature range of 57 degrees Celsius to 68 degrees Celsius. The holding time may vary from a few seconds up to several minutes. This mild heat treatment reduces microbial load while preserving milk quality. The principle of thermization is based on selective heat action. Mild heat affects heat-sensitive microorganisms and enzymes. At the same time, it preserves essential milk components such as proteins and nutrients. Thus, thermization balances microbial reduction and quality preservation. It is important to distinguish thermization from pasteurization. Thermization uses lower temperatures, typically between 57 degrees Celsius to 68 degrees Celsius. It provides temporary preservation and acts as a pre-treatment step. Pasteurization, on the other hand, uses higher temperatures, around 72 degrees Celsius or more. It ensures destruction of pathogenic bacteria and provides final product safety. Therefore, thermization prepares milk, while pasteurization makes it safe. Thermization has several applications in the dairy industry. In cheese manufacturing, it improves flavor and texture. In milk powder production, it enhances stability and product quality. For long-term storage, it helps extend shelf life in bulk storage systems. Thus, thermization is widely used as a preparatory step in different dairy processes. There are several advantages of thermization. It is energy efficient because it uses lower temperatures. It preserves heat-sensitive nutrients such as vitamins. It maintains the natural flavor and texture of milk. These benefits make thermization a valuable process for maintaining milk quality. However, thermization also has limitations. It does not completely destroy microorganisms. Heat-resistant spores such as Bacillus species can survive this treatment. Therefore, additional processing such as pasteurization is required. This confirms that thermization is not a final treatment but only a preparatory step. The thermization process can be summarized as follows. Raw milk is subjected to mild heat treatment, spoilage microorganisms are reduced, milk quality is preserved. The treated milk is then sent for further processing such as pasteurization or storage. This ensures improved stability without significant quality loss. To conclude, thermization is a mild heat treatment used as a pre-processing step in dairy technology. It reduces microbial load, inhibits enzymes, and improves storage stability. However, it must always be followed by proper pasteurization to ensure safety. Thank you.